Hey y'all, so today I have an empties video. I have a ton of stuff to share with you. Basically all my trash products I've used up over the last probably couple months because as y'all know, it's been a minute, okay? Been busy with life, you know, having a baby, all that good stuff. So let's just get started. First things first, I'm just gonna grab what I see here. I have shampoo and conditioner. I've got several different kinds, but from the same brand. I recommend really anything from this brand. This is the brand Hask, and this is the chai seed, I don't know how you say that, shampoo and conditioner. This says for body and bounce. This is a volumizing shampoo and conditioner. This smells amazing. Love this stuff. You need it, okay? Highly recommend. Then the next thing is by the same brand, but this is their charcoal purifying shampoo and conditioner. Again, can't go wrong with this. This smells almost kind of has like a lemon scent, very fresh smelling. Love this as well. Then we have a lotion. Now this is the Aveeno Skin Relief 24-hour moisturizing lotion, and to be honest, this was my husband's. I had never used this until it was pretty much like down to the last drop, and I was like, well, let me just use up what's left in there, and I really like this. I had some really chapped skin on my hands. This healed it up in like 2 days, so this is pretty good stuff. Recommend this as well. Then we have a face wash. This is the Egg White Pore Foam face wash from Skin Food. Again, I love this brand. This is another brand you can't go wrong with any of their products. Everything I've used from this brand, I love. Love this face wash. A little bit goes a long way. It really works into a nice, rich lather and really cleanses the skin. Love this. Then we have a body lotion. This is the Fresh Cream scent from Philosophy. To be honest, I would not purchase this again. Mainly because, okay, I have the perfume, the Fresh Cream perfume as well. I do like that. This doesn't smell like that. I don't know why. This really does smell like straight up cream. I know it sounds weird, but the perfume almost sounds like, smells like a fresh, fruity cream. I don't know how to explain it. I just wouldn't buy this again, okay? Okay, the next thing is a deodorant. This is the Tarte Clean Queen Vegan Deodorant. Y'all know, or may not know, I've mentioned it, that I have been on the hunt to find a good aluminum-free deodorant alternative. This was really good at first, and then I don't know if just my body got used to it. It got hotter outside. I was sweating more. I don't know. But I would not buy this again. It smells really good, but it didn't really keep me fresh. We'll just say that. Okay, then we have a Trader Joe's coconut oil. Love me some coconut oil. I literally have these jars sitting everywhere. Beside my recliner in the living room, beside my bedside, in the bathroom. Coconut oil can be used for so many things, and I have a video on my top uses. I'll link down below if you're interested in that. It's like my most popular video. But anyways, love this. My favorite brand is the Trader Joe's brand. Why, I don't know. I just love it, and it's cheap, so get you some of this. Then we have a face setting spray. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. I did like this. It's really cheap. You can get it at the drugstore. I would repurchase this again. I like the size. You can throw it in your bag. Nice for travel. Good stuff. I mean, it's not amazing, but for the price, it's pretty good. Then, okay, I have two of these. This is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Love this stuff. As you can tell, I have 2 tubes of it. This has been like my holy grail mascara for quite some time. However, nowhere around me carries it in store, so I have to order this from Ulta. And unless I'm doing like a big bulk order, I'm not paying shipping and handling for this little tube of mascara. I think it's like $3. So I've been trying some other things. Nothing is really comparing to this. I may just have to break down or travel to an Ulta and just stock up on them. But if you can get your hands on the Essence Lash Princess, get it, girl, and stock up. It's cheap and good. Then another mascara is the Marc Jacobs. What is the name of this? This is the Velvet Noir Marc Jacobs mascara. This is one that I was experimenting with. Love this. I do have a Sephora near me, so I could run in and grab this. This is on the expensive side. However, I do really like it. But once it starts to get towards the end, it gets really dry and really flaky. So a new tube is like where it's at, but once it starts wearing out, not so much. I'd buy it again. Yeah, I'd buy it again. Then we have another drugstore facial setting spray. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extender Setting Spray. This is good stuff. I would recommend this. Again, it's not life-changing, but it's okay. Then we have the Jason brand Softening Cocoa Butter Hand and Body Lotion. No parabens, petroleum, artificial colors, yada yada, all that good stuff. This is a all-natural, cruelty-free brand. This is another good brand if you can get your hands on. I have tried the shampoo and conditioner, other multiple products, the like vitamin E oil. I really do like this brand, Jason, and I do like this lotion. I already have purchased several more tubes of this. Love it. And I love the smell. Some of my girlfriends, however, don't like the smell of this. It's very like woodsy smell. I like it. Whatever. Then we have a face mask. This is by Palmetto Derma. This is the Rejuvenating Antioxidant Face Mask. I really enjoyed this. I think I got this in a FabFitFun or a BoxyCharm or something, and I looked up the price when I first used it because I really liked it, and from what I remember, it was rather expensive. So to be honest, I don't know that I'd spend the money on it to get it, but I do recommend it, if that makes any sense. If you want to splurge on a face mask, I do like this. Again, it's the Palmetto Derma Rejuvenating Antioxidant Mask. It is cruelty free. It smells amazing. As you can see, I used it all. Good stuff. Then we have a Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil, and I think this is just like the original scent. It's just the body butter, and as you can see, I used it all. I don't know, it doesn't smell like the original scent. Anyways, I do have another one of these on backup. I actually have several of these in several different sizes. This is the biggest tub you can get, I do believe, but my mother-in-law gives these to me and I love her to death for it because this is something that I probably would not buy for myself. It's one of those things that it's expensive, but you love it, kind of like that face mask. You love it, but you don't want to pay for it. So, again, love this. Then we have a J.R. Watkins Body Oil Mist. This is in the scent Lavender. Lavender is one of my all-time favorite smells. Lavender, vanilla, anything like that. Love it. But these, oh my gosh, these are so easy. It's just a dry oil mist. I love that it's in a spray bottle. Super fast, super easy. Get out of the shower. I actually spray it in my hand and rub it in. You can spray it directly, rub it in, but it dries instantly, but still moisturizes. It smells good. Get it. Then we have, this is a sheet mask from the brand Skin Food. This is the Skin Food Everyday Yogurt Facial Mask Sheet. Yes, I liked it. It says this is a rich mask sheet. It moisturizes and rejuvenates skin with its soft, creamy texture. Again, if you've ever used a sheet mask, take it out, leave it on, take it off, and then rub in the excess like cream or oil or whatever that's left behind. I have several of these. I don't have any more of the yogurt, but I've got like, they have a tomato, a blueberry, orange. Again, I love everything from Skin Food, so you can't go wrong. Then we have a Wet n Wild mattifying powder. Oh, a little thing fell out. But, so I used most of it, but this says just take on the day mattifying powder. This is good. Again, it's one of those that it's okay. It's cheap. It's from the drugstore. I probably would buy it again. It's not going to change your whole world, but I like it. Then we have a L'Oreal Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer. This is good stuff. I used to love this under Estee Lauder Double Wear. The two of these combined are like magic. If you wear Estee Lauder Double Wear, you will love this under that as a primer. However, I have made the transition to cruelty free. And some of these products are not cruelty free. I mentioned this a long time ago, but I'm still working things, you know, like phasing things out that aren't cruelty free. But just because I'm going cruelty free doesn't mean that everybody else is. So I still may recommend things to you that are not cruelty free. And this is one of those that I do recommend. I'm just not going to purchase it again because it's not cruelty free. Neither is the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which breaks my heart because it used to be my favorite. Anyways, that's my little ramble. But this is good stuff. I mean, under any foundation, but especially with the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Then we have a Vitabath. This is in the lemon citron basil. It has lime extract. It's just a body wash, but I actually use this as a bubble bath. And I have several scents. This scent is really good. So yes, if you see Vitabath, which I don't really see this brand much. I see it in Walgreens, and that's where I got mine. But if you know where else you can get this, let me know. Then we have a foundation. This is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. Now, I'm going to go on a little rant here. I love this foundation. However, they don't make enough shades. They just recently came out with a lighter shade, but this used to be the lightest shade they had, and as you can tell, it's really not that light. So I ordered the lightest. I actually haven't used it yet. I've been using some other things, but this is a really good foundation. A little bit goes a long way. This is also a really good mixer foundation. So what I was doing was I was literally mixing a pump of this in with all of my other foundations. I did not find one that it did not mix well with, and it like transforms any foundation to just this beautiful matte, like more full coverage foundation. So I love this stuff. Again, the shade range kind of sucks, but it's good. Then we have another mattifying powder. This is by the brand Pacifica. This is the Mineral Neutralizing Mattifier Powder, and it says with cherry and minerals. It does smell like cherries. As you can see, I didn't use all of it because for some reason, I don't know, I wouldn't buy this again. When I first got it, I really loved it. It almost kind of like blurred out your face and like did really mattify. But as time went on and the more I used it, the less I liked it. Does that make any sense at all? So I don't think I'd buy that again. Then we have another mascara. This is another Essence mascara. This is the I Heart Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. This is another good mascara from Essence. I do recommend this. I like the Lash Princess more. I've even worn these two together. Yes, you can't go wrong. Then we have an e.l.f. name isn't even on here. So this is basically like a eye roller ball. It's got serum in it and you roll it under your eyes. Now, I'm going to be honest. I don't think the serum in here did any good at all. I'm just going to put it out there. However, this is going to sound really weird, but just the coolness of the roller ball and like it just felt really good to use it around my eyes. I probably would buy it again because I mean it's super cheap, so who cares if it's not doing anything. It makes me feel like I'm doing something and feels good on my eyes, okay? Just saying. Then I wanted to share this with you. This is actually a little sample, but I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys about it. It's the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask, and the sample came with like 3 different shades. This sample made me go out and buy this stuff. It is expensive, but I love it. If you have dry, flaky, high maintenance lips like me, get some of this. It comes in different shades. I got the shade Champagne, so it's almost got like a goldish champagne tint to it, so it's not just clear. It gives you a little bit of something to your lips, but I highly recommend this by Beauty lip mask. Then we've got two more products. This one is the e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder. Love this. I've gone through several of these little containers, but it comes in this little jar, and it's got a sifter, and I just tap, oh, a little bit's coming out, but I just tap it into the cap, swirl my little brush in there, set my under eyes. Love it. It's cheap, it's good. Yes, I've already repurchased several. Then last but not least is an eyebrow pencil. This is the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Pencil. If you've been around a while, you know that I have recommended this. This is usually in like all my empties videos. This used to be my holy grail, only eyebrow product I've used. But I've discovered others that are cheaper and I think just as good. So I do recommend this. I personally will not be buying another one, but it is good. I think it's like $19. You can get it on Amazon. But again, it's the Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Color. It's a very neutral shade. I think a lot of people could wear, blondes, brunettes, redheads, you name it. So that is it for my empties, and I cannot believe I didn't really have that many crap products. I know a lot of you like when I go on rants and have crappy products, but I think I've really hit the jackpot here recently. So who knows? Maybe I'll have crap next time. So that's it for today's empty, guys. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye, guys.